Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, another new AI tool review. Now today we're going to discuss Cutout.pro. Now there are a lot of options for editing over here. It is AI based. Now before I can proceed with the details, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done yet, and please do not forget to press the bell icon. Besides that, you're going to find a few links. Make sure you join the Telegram group because that's the place where you're going to get most of the updates. So on this note, let's move ahead and understand how we can use Cutout.pro for our image editing needs. So let's log in out over here. So if you visit Cutout Pro, you're going to see that there are lots of features over here. So AI removal, that is a image background remover. You have video background remover, retouch, remove objects, face cutout, background diffusion, cartoon selfie, AI art generation, photo enhancer, that is you want to upscale your photo, sharpen your photo, and animation enhancer, AI video enhancer, photo colorizer, photo animer, passport photo maker, e-commerce, auto design, blur background, meme generator. So we're going to try a few tools out of which. So let's try the first one, which is the image background remover. So for this, it's asking you to just upload an image or you can pick up from the sample image. So I'm going to click upload an image. So from here, I'm going to pick an image. Let me pick this one. It's myself. Okay. So you see within a few seconds, it has removed the background. Now here you can see a little bit that this white color is also missing out over here because of erase and restore option. Let's see over here. Close this ad. Restore, and this portion I would want to restore. Yeah, so now you can see it's complete, done. So you can see in a seconds this particular background was removed, sorry. Now you have a editor over here. You can change the background, so you can select any colors like your palettes, anything you or whatever you want, the colors whatever you want. You can change the background over here, or there is an option, I don't know, auto photo editing background. There was a background diffusion. Yeah, this is the tool which is here. So here you can generate a background. So you can see here, please erase unwanted parts and describe what background you want. Now you can see, try these descriptions over here. Lots of people have done this. I will try it over here. So add a background of a rainy day with lush green trees and the bike is on the road. Let's try and see what we are going to get. So you can see here we've got a pretty good options out over here. This is something which I tried yesterday. So let's see this image. So looks pretty good. You can see over here, and you can go ahead and download this over here. From the three options, I like this one, as if I have parked right in the middle of a road. You can go here and download it, or you can share it. So from these two, we have already seen your product image background remover and your background diffusion. Video background remover I tried, I couldn't get satisfactory results, as in some parts, just like how you have cleared over here, I couldn't quite get over there. So besides that, retouch, remove objects. So let's try something from here only. Sample over here. So I think retouch and remove we have already seen over here with repairing option over here. Something if you want to like take a repair. I don't know what exactly is going to be doing here. So like if you want to use the same color or minor touches, you can do out over here. So something like in the option what we had seen, this thing, then face cutout and cartoons selfie. We are going to use another image, face cutout. So you can use the upload image. So let's see this. Let's pick up another image. So you see your face cutout is over here. The background is removed, and these are typically used for generating memes or overlapping, which you have seen in videos. So it's a very useful tool for content creators. For me, I couldn't find it quite useful. So that is your face cutout. Cartoon selfie. Uh, okay, the same image you can upload your image and turn it into a cartoon. So you can see the same image has been turned to a cartoon. You can see watermarks are over here. If you don't want the watermarks, you can go for the pro version. Then we've almost seen each of this AI art generation. We have seen photo enhancer and sharpener. This is if you want to, let's pick up something from here. This is the original blurred photo. You can see restoration done over here. I don't have any sample photo to sort of show you the demo out over here. And I'm enhancer, so you can upload an image and probably let's try this one over here. So even this you can see the blur part has been made crisp and clear over here. So I don't have sample images. The photo colorizer, if you have a black and white, obviously you can change it to this is like this over here. You can always change it to a colored photo out over here. Then we have a passport photo maker. Now this is also quite cool out over here. You can go upload your image. I'll pick up the same image over here, and you can see it's still processing. So then it opens up this prompt like what paper size you're going to be using, individual single photo for online applications. I will leave it as it is. Then search size, I will say India. Passport size, that's 3.5 by 3.5. I'll leave it as it is. Then you can see over here the background has been removed. It's been made white. So you have the option here to go and crop it or fill it up with colors, like sample colors out over here for your passport. Sometimes people require blue backgrounds for some places and all, so you can use, but for passports typically it is white. Besides that, you can change the color, this thing over your outfit. So if you are if you are having a men's outfit, you can see over here you can go on changing the outfit. So you see over here that my outfit is changed. Let's try a few and see which one suits best. So you can see over here, let's see this one. So still I can quite see the neck out over here. I'm not getting the best output. Let's try this. Okay, cool. Now you can see you can't make out from the earlier photo. This particular outfit is quite in sync with the photograph. So now you can straight away go and download this photograph. If you're printing, you can select the paper size. For women and children, you can select this particular tab, and again select whatever outfit you want over here if you're a female, or if you're using this for kids out over here. So looks funny though. Okay, so I'll just click this. Okay, so this photo, you could see it was very nicely created into a passport size photo. And I think more or less we have almost e-commerce auto design. Basically here, these are images, wherein backgrounds are removed like this. So if you have a photograph which you have clicked and it has a noisy background, you can quite use it. So it's more of a background remover, like we have checked out earlier. A blur background option if you want to blur something. So behind, so let's try with the same image we had used earlier. So you see here the background is blurred, and only the focus is on me riding the particular bike. So more features here. Cartoon selfie, you can see a cartoon selfie has been made. Face cutout straight away of this image. Photo enhancer quality has been improved over here. Yeah, photo enhancer, let's see, need to upgrade it over here. So you can see like quite some interesting features and very easy. You don't need to be tech savvy over here. So in this blur background also there is an editor. There are various options which you want to do over here. How it looks like a little more blur, little more clear. So, and there is an editor whether you want to add some colors or some backgrounds. You can see over here you can go and add some backgrounds to this particular image. Unfortunately not having the correct, but I've shown you with AI you can very well create a beautiful background wherein you can use this particular editing tool and get the best output out there. So I hope that I have covered most of the features over here. Now coming to the pricing, they do have a mobile app, Shopify plugin, and a desktop app. And pricing, if you want to go in for pro tools, get full resolution images, you can see with free account you have 5 free credits. You can register and use them. But for a subscription plan, you see for each of the credit, this is the amount you would need to pay. So I hope that you like this particular tool, and it's a very powerful tool, and you can do lots of editing over here and with very minimal effort. So for me, a big thumbs up to this particular tool. Do let me know your feedback in the comment section, or also let me know which from this has been your favorite tool, like which you could probably make use the most. Do like this video, do share this video across. And before signing off, a humble request: if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would request you to kindly do so now. Until the next video, take care and be safe.